Hi everyone, welcome back to another update in the Microsoft 365 Message Center update series. I've got a small update today with you regarding list rules, making it easy to set up notifications of changes. This is a really nice one that's been added in, to be honest. So this means that we can easily set up if-then rules on SharePoint lists. So this is either from the SharePoint Lists app or from generic SharePoint lists. So basically we can say if a particular value in a SharePoint list item hits a number, then send a notification out to users. Important to note that only list editors can create and manage these rules. Normal list users can't, but normal list users can be the recipient of the outcome of these rules. So this is going to come out in targeted release, a gradual rollout late November, so gone, to be completed in December 2020. So people may already see this on their tenants in preview, and then standard release, gradually roll out mid-January, expected to be completed by the end of February. Okay, so I think there's a slight update to the timeline here. We're slipping a little bit. So this is supposed to have been released by the end of January, but it's going to be the end of February by the time we see this. So people should already have this in their preview tenants as well. So have a quick look in just to see what it looks like. But basically when you go into a list, you'll be able to create a rule by selecting Automate and then create a rule in the list command bar near the top of the page. So we can assume that this is using Microsoft Flow under the hood. And these notification emails will be sent from Microsoft 365 to one or more users in the organization, as shown on the screen just here. So once rolled out, the feature will be available to all list users in Microsoft Lists and SharePoint, and users will be able to create a maximum of 15 rules per list. Okay, nice easy one, pretty quick. I think that's a pretty good update. Hopefully, maybe at some point I'll be able to actually do a quick demo of that. I can see if it's available in my tenant. But yeah, nice, easy, quick one. Hope you enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments if you're using this, have any feedback or thoughts on it. All right, thank you very much, and see you soon.